Welcome to a new video from RKP Customs RC4WD Drive Build 2019. It's the pre-last video and now you can see the actual moment, what is going on, what it's looking like. The big surprise at the end is revealed. I mounted an amazing robotic arm at the flatbed behind the front cap. At 8 servos, it's fully moving. Yeah, everything is working fine at the front, all lights, steering, throttle, everything's perfect. Now I have to mount the cables from the robotic arm and make everything clean, mount the RC4WD drive accessories, and yes, then we can start. The last video from this build will follow, and yeah, you will see it. Stay tuned and bye.